Very good morning, students. Today Vijay Dubey is here to teach you economics for class 12th. Student, as we had already started chapter number 3, national income and related aggregates, in which we had discussed some topics about GDPMP, GDPFC, NDPMP, NDPFC, GNPMP, GNPFC, NNPMP, NNPFC, in which we come to know NDPFC is domestic income and NNPFC is national income. So in this video we are going to discuss how we can make or how we can convert GDPMP into other factors and NDPMP into other factors when some aggregates are given. Let us start it with a question. Students, here is a question in which it is given that calculate NDP at FC when particulars and particular amount in crores is given. Here first one is GDP at MP, which is 8,000, depreciation which is 600, NFIA which is 300, and net indirect taxes, that is 700. Here NFIA means net factor income from abroad, means factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad equals to NFIA. These all things are given. We have to calculate NDP at FC. So the solution of given question is as follows. Students, first we have to convert NDP at FC into GDP at MP, or we can say that we have to find NDPFC, so we have to convert GDP at MP into NDP at FC. Let us start. To know what is NDP at FC, we have to calculate it from GDP MP. First we have to go from gross to net. Then to go from gross value to net value, what we have to do? Gross value is what? Purchasing value, and net value is what? Actual value. So to go from gross value to net value, we have to subtract depreciation. Next one is domestic and domestic both are same, product and product both are same. Now we have to go from MP to FC, means from market price to factor cost. Student, as we know that to go from market price to factor cost, we have to add or subtract net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes is what? Indirect taxes minus subsidy. So here we have already given net indirect taxes, so we have to go from market price to a factor cost, so we have to subtract what? Net indirect taxes. Okay student, now NDPFC equals to GDPMP is given 8,000, depreciation is given 600, and net indirect tax is given 700. So student, NDPFC equals to 8,000 minus 600, it means 7,400 minus 700. equals to 7400 minus 700 equals to 6700 crore is our NDP at FC. This is our answer. So students, next question we will discuss in our next video. Please find out same type of question and try to solve it in your copy. Okay student, thank you. Let us meet in our next video.